If you live in Pickerington, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing, or if you have a house in Pickerington, Ohio, and you're looking to sell because you're thinking about downsizing at some point in the future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Pickerington with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with home sellers and residents in Pickerington, Ohio. And one of the most frequent calls that we get is people downsizing. And maybe you just need something smaller, maybe you're moving closer to family or moving in with family, or maybe you're just looking for something that has less maintenance and less upkeep. We understand your situation very well. We understand that you're not looking to give the house away. We understand you're not desperate. You're just looking for something easy and convenient, and that's exactly what we provide. And that's what we've provided hundreds of people here. We have a ton of reviews, references, and testimonials. We're going to give you a fair shake. We're local, and this isn't some distant call center that you're calling into. We are local residents, and we've worked with many people in Pickerington, Ohio. The reason people like working with us is we're an as-is buyer, and that's a convenient thing for you. You don't have to fix anything up. So we understand if you've been living in the house for quite some time, every house needs updates and work, and that's perfectly fine. Maybe you don't want to do any work to it. You don't have to. We're a true as-is buyer, and that means you don't have to fix anything, clean anything, or even haul anything away. So even after you move, if there's things you want to take with you, by all means, take it. If there's something that you just don't want or need anymore, you can leave it behind. You don't need to haul anything away. We'll either have it donated to a local church and or Habitat for Humanity, or we can dispose of it for you. We want to keep things as simple and easy as possible. And another way that we do that is we're a true cash buyer. So we're going to buy your Pickerington house in its as-is condition, and we're paying cash. And that's not like a traditional type of buyer. With a traditional buyer, maybe a buyer that's working with a realtor, and then you got to pay them a commission, it's more costs for you. But a traditional buyer, they have hoops to jump through. They have to get an approval. They have to get an appraiser walking through your house. There's all these different people walking through your house and professional inspections and all of this. A lot of people don't want to have to deal with that, but they just want to still sell the property for a fair price. That's what we do for you here. We've been working with people in Pickerington for a long time. You don't need to work with a traditional buyer, because then when you got to close on their timeline. If they have to qualify for a loan, you're really at mercy to the bank's timeline. What happens if they don't get qualified, or what happens if the terms change, or what happens if something happens in the economy and then the bank pulls out? Now you're left at square one. It could be very inconvenient. So we are not like that. We're a cash buyer, and that means we're able to close on your timeline. Not the bank's. There's no bank, so there's not the bank's timeline or the realtor's timeline. It's your timeline. The ball is in your court when you're selling your Pickerington house. So if you need to move quickly, we absolutely can accommodate that. If you need more flexibility because you need to find something new, we can even help with that. So our number here is 614-300-5151. And our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about what timeline and time frames that you're working with. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the Pickerington house. If our offer works for you, fantastic, we'll move forward, and we're going to communicate effectively and clearly with you throughout this whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or sales tactics or gimmicks or scripts or anything like that. My name is Dave Pickerington. I look forward to speaking with you, and our number once again is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We've been working with home sellers in and around Pickerington for a long time, and we look forward to speaking with you, and we look forward to working with you.